In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unblock someone on Google Drive. Whether you accidentally blocked someone or you simply need to grant them access again, this guide will walk you through the process, ensuring it's as straightforward as possible. So, let's dive in. First, you'll need to open your preferred web browser and go to Google Drive. You can easily find this by typing Google Drive into your search bar and clicking on the first link that appears. Once you're there, you'll want to ensure that you're signed into the correct Google account. This is important because you want to be certain that you're managing the right set of permissions and contacts. Next, in the upper right corner, you'll notice a small profile icon, which is usually your profile picture. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll want to select Manage Your Google Account. This action will redirect you to your Google account page, where we can make the necessary adjustments. Once you're on your Google account page, look to the left and locate the tab labeled People and Sharing. Clicking it will bring up various options related to your contact management. Here, you'll need to find the section labeled Blocked Users. This section will list all the users you've blocked across Google services, including Google Drive. Click on Blocked Users, and you'll see a list that includes everyone currently blocked. To unblock someone, simply find their name on this list. Next to each name, you should see an option or an icon that allows you to unblock them. Click that button, and just like that, the person is unblocked. Now let's revisit Google Drive to ensure everything is set up correctly. Head back to your main Google Drive tab or reopen it if you closed it earlier. Once there, you can double-check that the person now has access to any shared files or documents. If necessary, you might have to share specific files with them again. To do this, locate the file or folder you want to grant them access to. Right-click on the file and select Share. In the sharing settings, type the person's email address into the box, set the appropriate permissions, and hit Send. And that's it. You've successfully unblocked someone on Google Drive and updated their access. To avoid future mishaps, always double-check who you are blocking or granting permissions to. This process ensures that your work remains collaborative and efficiently shared among your intended group. Thank you for watching this guide, and I hope you found it useful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful videos. Have a great day.